Alright, today we're going to learn how to multiply a 2 by 2 matrix by another 2 by 2 matrix. To do this, you need to understand how to multiply a 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 1 matrix, which was discussed in the previous video. So if you haven't watched that video as yet, search up 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 1 matrix. Alright, so here we go. We have a 2 by 2 matrix here, and we want to multiply by another 2 by 2 matrix. Now when you multiply a 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 2 matrix, expect to get back a 2 by 2 matrix, which means we're looking for 4 answers this time. 2 over here, which I put as ticks, and 2 over here, which I put as smiley faces. So to multiply the 2 by 2 matrix by a next 2 by 2 matrix, here's what I want you to do. Split the second matrix down the middle. So you pay attention to the 2 numbers here, and afterwards we're going to pay attention to the next 2 numbers. So what we're going to do is take this matrix and multiply it by the 2 and the minus 1, and that will give us the first 2 answers. Then we're going to take the same matrix again, the first matrix, and multiply it by the other 2 numbers. So I kind of summarize it below here. I took this matrix and we're going to multiply by the first 2 numbers here in this column here. So when we do that, we will get the first 2 answers, which we will put over here. Now just a little recap. To multiply a 2 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 1 matrix, you pay attention to the number underneath the small matrix. And remember, this number will swing up to the top. So the minus 1 swings up to the top. And the 2 numbers here now, which are on top, you slide it across and photocopy it underneath here. And then you photocopy it underneath here. So minus 1 swings up to the top, slide it over, let's photocopy it here, and photocopy it here. These 2 numbers in green, you also photocopy it underneath here. So you have the 2 and the minus 1. Now just like in the last video, we'll multiply each pair. So 2 by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 4. Now multiply these 2 here. Minus 3 multiplied by 2 is minus 6. And 5 by minus 1 is minus 5. To get the answer on top here, we just add the 2 answers on top. 4 plus minus 4. Remember, plus and a minus is a minus. So we're already looking at 4 minus 4, which is 0. Our second answer is minus 6 plus minus 5. A plus and a minus is a minus. So we're already looking at minus 6 minus 5, which is what? Minus 11. So that's the first 2 answers. So I guess we can insert it over here now. 0 and minus 1. Minus 11, sorry. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to take the same matrix and multiply by the other 2 numbers to give us the 2 smiley face answers. So I kind of wrote it in here at the beginning of the video. We're going to take this matrix and multiply it by the other 2 numbers. And it's the same procedure where the minus 6 or the 1 in the smaller matrix swings up to the top. So the minus 6 swings up to the top. 2 numbers here slide across. You photocopy it here and you photocopy it here. By now, you should know that we multiply each pair. 2 by 0 is 0. 4 by minus 6 is minus 24. Minus 3 by 0 is 0. 5 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 30. To get the first answer on top, we add the 2 numbers here on top. 0 plus minus 24 is minus 24. 0 plus minus 30 is minus 30. And now we can take these 2 answers and insert it over here. which is minus 24 and minus 30. And that's it. That's how you multiply a 2 by 2 matrix by another 2 by 2 matrix.